guys, in today's video I'm going to be sharing a giveaway with you. This one is going to be for one of my Zodiac sign nails from this year. So they had the galaxy style background with the constellation and everything painted on the front of it. So that is what the giveaway will be for. So all you have to do to enter the giveaway is be subscribed to my channel, like this video, and put a comment in the comment section below with your Zodiac sign. So if you're an Aries, say Aries. If you're a Cancer like me, write that you're a Cancer, and that's all you have to do to be entered. I will be posting whoever's the winner in about a week, so if you are excited like I am, please check back for that. The winners will need to contact me within 72 hours, so there is a bit of a time frame there if you do happen to win. Good luck, everybody. I am so excited to share this with you. This is an international giveaway. And the giveaway, the winner will win either the nail tip as it is. You can also have it made into a ring or as a necklace pendant, so there are options. And if you don't happen to win, there will only be one winner, so there will be 11 other nails available. Those will be on my online store. So if you are interested, whether you win or not, definitely check that out. There is only one of each of them. So as they are sold, they are sold. So I will have all those ready for you at that time. And don't forget to click subscribe to see all my future videos as well.